In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a homepage in Power BI. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Power BI, of course, you must have some pages, so it would make sense to actually create a homepage as well. And to do this, you want to go down here to the bottom. Now, mind you, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm just going to show you one of them, which I do think is the easiest. So I'm going to go to New Page here. I'm going to click on that. It's going to create page 2. And if you then click on that twice as well, you'll be able to rename it. So I'm going to name it Home Page right here. There we go, enter, and it's now renamed, and you can even drag it over here before the first page, so it's actually like the first page over here as the home page. Now on here you can go ahead and then go to the insert tab up top, and then for example select like the text box over here, which will put in a text box, and in here you can just name the title. So for example we're going to do a home page right now, and then you can go ahead and of course select it. You can go in here and just select whichever font you want here. You could go ahead and customize it the way you want to. You could set its size here, etc. So a bunch of different things can be set over here. This is completely up to you depending on how you want to do it. For me, I'm just going to leave it like this, and of course you can customize it however you want to. Even here on the right hand side, if you wanna, you can title it, give it some effects, etc. to actually make it a bit better. Now here, that's going to be it for this tutorial because I'm not going to waste your time. Now when you do that, you can of course add different things on here. You could do like different text, you could do explanations, like some descriptions, whatever you want to do. But then what I think is the most important part here, you can go to buttons, and then here at the bottom it says navigator. So if you hover over that, and if you do page navigator, and if you click on that, it's actually going to create a page navigator. Now you can go ahead and make this as big as you want, and for example, let's say you have some text and descriptions over here, you can then go ahead and add this page navigator, for example up here, down here, wherever you wanna, and this is gonna act like a home page where you can basically navigate pages. So if I just go ahead and hold down my Control key, and if I click on page 1, it's going to direct me directly to the page 1 over here, and I can then go back over here, and as you can see I can navigate through different pages. So that's how you can create a home page, and of course you can then customize it however you want to, but those are just kind of the basics. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.